Is it time to buy or sell Mullen Automotive stock? In this video, we will explore Mullen Automotive in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 20th of May, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 21st of April, 2025, our system has ranked Mullen Automotive as a strong sell candidate, assigning it a score of -5.17. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has seen a decline of 77.07%. This equates to an average loss of 3.5% per day since it was designated as a strong sell candidate. The stock is positioned within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of further decline. The current trend over the past 3 months suggests a potential decrease of nearly 62% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from a complete loss to over 146%. Examining the longer-term outlook, our analysis over the past 12 months indicates a projected decline of nearly 100%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between a complete loss and a decline of approximately $0.0009 over the coming year. Our latest daily update from Mullen Automotive highlights significant movements in the stock price on Tuesday, with a fluctuation of 56.6% between the high and low. On the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 20th of May, 2025, the Mullen Automotive stock price decreased by 41.32%, dropping from 0.340 to 0.200. During that day, the stock experienced a fluctuation of 56.6%, ranging from a low of 0.191 to a high of 0.299. Over the last 10 days, the stock has fallen in 7 of those days, resulting in a decline of 28.75% for that period. Interestingly, the trading volume also decreased on the last day alongside the stock price, which is generally seen as a positive sign, as volume should ideally follow the stock's movement. On that last day, the trading volume fell by 478 million shares, with a total of 66 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $13.18 million. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $478, while the lowest was $0.035. Currently, the price stands 99.96% or $477.80 below the 52-week high, and 100% or $45,180,916.80 below the all-time high recorded on the 5th of August, 2020, when the price peaked at $45,180,917. Mullen Automotive stock, symbol MULN, has experienced noteworthy movement recently, surging over 100% on May 19th, reaching a high of 0.4805, marking its strongest position since late April. This surge positions Mullen as one of Wall Street's top stocks, indicating strong short-term investor interest. Additionally, Mullen has recently entered into a settlement agreement with GEM Group, allowing a 55-day due diligence period to evaluate asset transfers. This development could indicate a stabilizing factor amid ongoing investor scrutiny due to a recent class action lawsuit alleging potential fiduciary duty breaches by Mullen's board. While these legal challenges could create volatility, a favorable resolution may enhance investor confidence over time. Furthermore, new orders are on the horizon. Cashflow on Wheels has purchased 20 Mullen 3 Class 3 vehicles for FedEx routes, which is likely to boost sales and reinforce Mullen's presence in the electric vehicle market. In the short term, strong price momentum, combined with the resolution of ongoing legal issues and the securing of new contracts, could lead to further price appreciation for Mullen MULN. Conversely, if the legal environment deteriorates or operational challenges emerge, it may dampen investor sentiment. Overall, Mullen's path forward appears crucial, hinging on these forthcoming developments. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 1st of November, 2022, it was reported that Citigroup assigned MULN a reduce grade accompanied by a downgrade action. Analysts have assigned Mullen Automotive stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also provide the stock with a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for Mullen Automotive. Today, the stock presents mixed signals. The Mullen Automotive stock indicates a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average is signaling a general sell. Since the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average, this results in an overall sell signal, painting a more negative outlook for the stock. Should the stock experience further gains, it will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at 486 of a dollar. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find some support from the short-term average at 195 of a dollar. A breakout above the long-term average would trigger another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average would reinforce the sell signal and intensify the general outlook. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, May 19, 2025, and since then, the stock has decreased by 41.32%. Continued declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, a sell signal is currently active from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. The trading volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which reduces the overall risk as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots suggest a sell signal from 2 days ago. The short-term moving average provided a buy signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a sell signal 18 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages generated a buy signal 14 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a sell signal 18 days ago. The long-term moving average suggested a sell signal 25 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages provided a buy signal 42 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss from Mullen Automotive. Mullen Automotive finds support from accumulated volume at $0.199, and this level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be expected when the support is tested. This stock is known for its significant daily movements, and with a wide prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is categorized as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $0.108 between its highest and lowest points, representing a change of 56.6%. In the past week, the stock has exhibited a daily average volatility of 59.84%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Mullen Automotive, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, consider the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing losses or has negative earnings. While even established companies can face downturns due to factors beyond their control, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest a lack of profitability and possible bankruptcy risks. Additionally, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 11th of August, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Mullen Automotive. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Mullen Automotive is at 0.227. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Mullen Automotive encounters its first support level at 0.199. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Mullen Automotive from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's review some recent insider trades. On the 4th of April, 2025, HRT Financial LP executed an insider sell of 2,012,436 shares of Class A shares. On the 3rd of April, 2025, HRT Financial LP conducted an insider buy of 546,706 shares of Class A shares. On the same day, HRT Financial LP also recorded an insider buy of 0 shares of Class A shares. On the 3rd of March, 2025, Mary Winter made an insider buy of 62,000 shares of common stock. Just 2 days later, on the 5th of March, 2025, Mary Winter conducted an insider sell of 62,000 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that insider power is positive, with a ratio of approximately 43.762. In total, insiders acquired 199,918,796 shares and sold 67,050,264 shares in the last 100 trades. Currently, we hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is no stop loss in place. Is Mullen Automotive stock a good buy? Mullen Automotive holds several negative signals, and we believe that its performance will remain weak in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we have a negative assessment of this stock. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our evaluation from a sell recommendation to a strong sell candidate since the last assessment. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 21st of May, we anticipate that Mullen Automotive will open higher by approximately 3 cents and begin trading at 23 cents. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.